Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you fingerprint scanner test. We are going to check how this scanner works in the smartphone. You can find it on the right edge. It's linked with power key. So let's make a few tries. I link this finger. So what do you think about this sensor? For me, the good point is that it's reliable because it recognizes our fingerprint every time, but it works a little bit slow. But for that price range, not that bad. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.